Click Add New and select Material. Provide a name, and double-click to open Material Editor. We are going to right-click a few inputs and going to promote them as parameter. Let's start with base color. Right-click and select Promote to Parameter. Do the same with metallic and roughness. Drag and arrange so they are all visible. Metallic and roughness can have minimum value of 0 and maximum of 1. We will set this here so it's easy to control with a slider. We are pretty much done at this point. If you like, we can set some default values so it will be easier when we use these later. As an example, we will set metallic to 0.5. We can also pick a default base color. You can see the changes reflect on the preview section immediately. Let's go back to the main window and apply the material to an object to see how it looks. As a best practice, it's good to create a material instance and use this instead of the material itself. One of the key advantage being able to use the parameters we just created to customize the same material for different styles based on use cases. Right-click on our new material and select Create Material Instance. Let's drag in a sphere in the level so we can apply this material instance onto it. Double-click the material instance to open it. As you can see in this pane, all the parameters we have exposed from the material are available here. They are also set to the default values we had set in the material editor. Let's try changing the color. We can simply double-click the color swatch and pick a new color. As you can see, the color change immediately affects the sphere. Remember the max value we have set in the default value section of the material? As you can see here, you can click and drag the slider in between the minimum and maximum values to quickly change and update parameter values.